Hi, Mark Swanson here at MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Today I'm going to show you a pre-owned 2018 Boston Whaler 380 Outrage. Let's go on board and take a look. Hi, we're on the pre-owned 2018 Boston Whaler 380 Outrage. So if we look at the back here, we've got three 350 horsepower Mercury Verado engines. We've got a large live well and a transom of the boat. We've got a swim platform door that closes and locks. We've got plenty of seating for all of your guests to entertain. And there's a large teak table that sits in the middle here. The seats are fold away, which gives you plenty of room for doing some serious offshore fishing. We've got large fish boxes on both sides that are temperature controlled. We've got tow rails that go around the cockpit of the boat. We've got a large dive door that recesses nicely into the gunnel. We've got a handle that also swings around, makes it very easy when you attach the ladder. And we've got some storage for your buckets. On the aft facing seat here, we have a backrest that folds down with a teak table. You can do your baiting your rods, you can entertain, put food out for your guests. Up above, we have an electronic sunshade that covers the entire aft of the boat, the cockpit, and then we also have outriggers as well for fishing. Let's go up to the helm, take a look. So up here, Boston Whaler's done a great job. We have lots of space. We've got 3 seats across. The center seat is electronic that moves forward and back. Down below we have a 6-inch drop down step, and while standing on it, it gives you plenty of vision around the bow of the boat. Even when your guests are sitting up front, you're able to see over their heads. On the helm itself, we've got dual Cimarad 16-inch screens. It's equipped with Halo 4 radar. We have electronic binnacle controls, your trim tabs, and a bow thruster. You can see they've done a great job with the layout. Easy to reach and control all of these switches. You've got a little cubby up here to put all of your devices. It even has a charging outlet up there. Above, we have a glove box and your Mercury vessel view. Also has a Fusion radio. Up front, we have a electronic ventilating window with defrost on it as well. The layout is very nice. We have lots of room for somebody to be able to access the cabin. The other nice thing about the design here is while you're on your way, you can access the cabin without getting wet or blocking walking up and down the side of the boat. We also have on this boat full weather curtains that wrap around here, so you can be in here when some bad weather and stay dry and still have full access to the cabin and the helm and all the seating while you're on your way. Let's go up to the bow of the boat and we'll take a look there. Alright, so now we're on the bow of the boat, and you can see we have lots of space up here, lots of seating, and lots of storage. We've got this oversized sun pad with armrest, cup holders, charging ports. The sun pad is also low enough to where it's below the gunnels on the side of the boat. The gunnels are very high. This is down below, and as I said earlier, the captain can see over all the people's heads when they're sitting on the sun pad. Beautiful layout. We've got more storage that wraps around the bow of the boat up here. when we do the, we have seat cushions that go down here, and you can lift up the backrest for lounges. Underneath these seats, we have lots more storage. We also have a teak table that electronically lowers and raises in order to give you a large sun pad when you combine all the cushions, or a table to entertain with your guests. Over to the right on the starboard side, we've got fusion radio controls, control your bow table, another charging port. Up front on the bow, you can see everything is flush up here. There's a great area to fish off of, nothing to trip on, everything is recessed, and plenty of space with no skid on it. You've got your anchor locker down here below, has freshwater wash down, your tools, and your windlass. Let's move back and take a look at the cabin. So now we're down in the cabin of the boat. We have plenty of room down here. We've got some storage over here. We've got lots of natural light. We've got a window here. We've got a large skylight and another window on this side as well. Over here on the port side, we've got rod holders. You can store all your rods and be able to lock them up, which is a really nice feature on this boat. We have a double berth down here with a fold over cushion that will serve as a table. And on this side, we have a sink, we have a microwave, and some storage down below. We have a fully enclosed head, and in the head we've got a stand-up shower, another window, and some hangers to hang some items that you have. Alright, so thank you for taking the time today to walk around this previously owned 2018 Boston Whaler 380 Outrage. If you have any questions at all about this boat or want to schedule a showing, please call me. My name is Mark Swanson, 954-531-2505. Thank you.